Who's Palm? So, if you guys enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Be a part of the notification. Big news, guys. I finally found a mom and pop restaurant, or kind of like a grocery store slash restaurant in my city here. So address, phone number right there. Drop my name when you guys check in. First off, guys, I want to apologize for all these names. I forgot which one was which, and I will mess up the whole name. Trust me. I apologize. I want to apologize for advance. So guys, take it easy on me, alright? So I got the empanadas colombiana, Mexicana pole sopa, pastel de carne brasileiro, tamale mexicano, tamale salvadoriano, and I got this to drink, guys. Jajaritos. I have never met a Mexican friend ever, guys. Ever in my life. I met one El Salvadorian. I thought he was Mexican, but he got offended when I called him Mexican. So, never met one Mexican friend ever. Done goof, guys. I thought this was a twisty, but it's not a twisty. And I got no can opener or a bottle opener. I think I'll try it with some chopstick. I see my cousin do this. I see my brother do this before. I see if I can do it. So all he did was take some chopstick. Alright. I remember him trying to show me. Put this as a lever, like this. Where your thumb is your lever. No, I don't think it's gonna work. Seems to be more stable. It's coming out, guys. I just want to sip. It's coming out. Ow! Forget the drink, guys. So this is the Mexican pozole. I'm sorry, I apologize. I know it's not called pozole, but I'm reading it pozole. So my first time ever trying Mexican pozole. Quick time, guys. It looks like there's chickpeas and I think some pork and some veggies in there. Quick time. Yes, got it. Nice. And palm. Mmm. Mmm. First hint is kind of like a I don't know. It's kind of like biting into a corn tortilla, chicken brothy soup. This is not what did I say? My apologies, guys. This is not chickpeas. I don't know what this is. Is this corn husk or corn? Yeah, it's corn. It looks like there's bits of pork inside. I asked them if they had mandu, and she laughed at me. Mandu is the soup you guys always want me to try, or mandu. I think it's the pig intestine, no, not pig intestine, cow intestine, or cow stomach. For a second, I thought this soup would have been a little spicy, just because of this, because of the color of it. But it's not spicy at all. Quite tasty. Next, I think this is one of the empanadas. I think it's the... I'm not even sure, guys. I apologize. I think this is the Colombina empanadas. I'm not even sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Quick time. Take the first bite of this. It's got it. Nice. First, I want to crack into it. I'm not sure what's inside. Looks like there's pork. Pork and potatoes, maybe? I don't know. I'm pumped. Pork and potatoes. For me, guys, anything with a potato filling, I'm not really into it. Just because I feel like the potato is just the filling, or just something people use just to, you know, I forgot the word for it. It's like calling it meat. I'm not hating, but it's just in any potato filling in general. I just don't really like it. It's like calling something a meat filling, but 90% of the filling is potato and 10% is meat. Next. This one looks legit, guys. Quick time. Take the first bite of this. Yes, got it. Nice. I want to break this in two. This one has a lot of meat. That's beautiful. I'm pumped. It looks like there's olives in it too. This is awesome. I'm not even sure what this is called. My apologies, guys. This right here is so tasty. And I love that olives they have in there. Next, this thing right here. I'm not even sure what it is, but let's crack it open. Wait, I think I have to crack it open down here. So it is a... Ooh, yum. That looks bombs, guys. What's the name of this? I'm just gonna dunk my spoon into it. Oh, I like that consistency, guys. Just like a Chinese or Vietnamese dumpling. It looks like there's pork and some corn in there. Oh, no, it's chicken. Take the first bite of this. Quick time. Yes, got it. Nice. My first time ever trying this. I forgot the name, guys. I apologize. I'm pumped. This is bombs. And there's olives in there. This is what I like. That's beautiful. It's just like one of those Chinese dumpling things, but Mexican style. Is this a potato again? Not feeling the potato in this. But everything else, delicious. I think this stuff is cornmeal. Correct me if I'm wrong. Wow. I just love that consistency. This one, top notch. This dish right here is top notch. I think this is a tamale. Wow. This one's rank 1. Lastly, I think this is a tamale. Corn husk tamales. So they have it nice and wrapped in saran wrap. And there's 2 inside, just 1. Just 1 that is connected. So I'm not sure how you eat this. I think you just unfold this. Ooh. I think this is the same thing. It looks like the same thing, but wrapped in a corn husk. Check that out. It's beautiful. All right. This looks like they have some pulled pork in there. Oh, guys, take the first bite of this. Quick tap. Let's go ahead. Nice. On palm. That's bombs. This takes the lead. This takes first now. What shocked me, I didn't know Mexicans use a lot of olives or green olives in their recipe. This is bombs. This one's a little more dry. Drier than the last one I had. But more meat. I think if I had it fresh, it would have been less dry. You know what? This one's second. The last thing I ate still holds first. Last try. I just want to do this just because I have it a little open already, or I kind of damaged the outside. Last try, guys. This will pop out, I promise you. Like I said, I'm mad. Take the first sip of this. Quick time. Nice. On palm. That's very nice. I'm not gonna lie. Mango jarritos. Or jarritos? Jarritos. Because I think Mexican pronounce their J's H. Jarritos. That would have been nice with the meal though. I got a bloody, or kind of bloody, thumb for this. Goofed it. A review on this mom and pop grocery store slash restaurant-ish. Food was great, service was great, the atmosphere was awesome, guys. I think the only bad thing, I should have went a little earlier just because the food was sitting under the heat lamp. It kind of did dry up some things, but overall the food was awesome, guys. Apologize again, guys, just because my Spanish is way off and I can't really pronounce a lot of Spanish. Out of all my lifetime, I have never ever met a Mexican friend. I wish I did. Maybe one day I'll meet one. Let me ask you guys this. What authentic dish do you guys want me to try next? Put it down below there. Thumb it up. Let me see it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up one of your bomb shirts. Like to share this. Peace out.